How's it going, guys? My name is Voss, and today we're heading down to Spiegler to get some new brakes. We got Molly and RJ, and yeah, we still haven't gotten to the bottom of why our brakes don't work. We have an idea. I think it's the pressure switch. It could potentially be the line. I don't know. What's your guess?
I'd say it's somewhere either in the pressure switch or with the mounting of the pressure switch.
So we're heading down to Spiegler. We're gonna see Matthias and the rest of the guys there, and we're gonna get to hopefully getting this thing fixed and hopefully getting all the wheels locking so we'll be competition eligible. So we're here with Matthias. He runs Spiegler. You want to tell us a little more about what you guys do here and what you specialize in?
Oh, we are specialized in making stainless steel brake lines for automotive applications, for mostly motorcycles, all kinds of fancy colors. Yeah. We have you guys.
Yeah, they were a big reason we were able to get some brake lines. So if you guys ever need anything, check them out. You know, they're in Dayton, but I'm sure they'll ship anywhere. So
yeah, we ship everywhere in the US and Canada.
Awesome, thank you.
Away from the master cylinder. Is this the one?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, yes, it definitely is.
And what size is that?
5-6.
Boiling point. The wet boiling point, the higher it is, the better. Because brake fluid is hydrostatic. It's hydrostatic, I think it's safe. It attracts moisture, water.
Okay.
So the more water you get in there, then it's it gets hot. You get the steam bubbles, and then is when you lose your brakes.
Right.
Or where it gets, you can compress this, and you should not do this. You know?
How fast do you think we're driving? I don't know if we'll be having too much trouble with that, but
it's I mean, it's it's not always the speed; it's how often you lose the brakes.
Right.
You can go 200 miles all day long without touching the brakes, but
yeah.
That's how much you use the brakes.
So 5.1 is back, like it doesn't matter. It's universal.
Yes.
I did not know that.
Compatible,
Interesting.
And this one got open. Yeah, that's your job now here. Yeah, no, that works pretty good. How is if you activate now the brakes but I put the cap on it? I don't know if something sprays out. How is it now? How does it feel?
You want to go ahead and press the brake down? Molly, you want to jump in and yeah, hit that brake.
We do the other side once more.
Okay.
Because this was the side base.
Is there some play?
You
Because
need to pump it up eventually with it.
yesterday when I pressed it hardly moved.
It's not moving very much.
Okay, let's do this once more here.
Okay.
So you need to watch out your legs, not that you get brake fluid on there. It doesn't feel good.
I wish we were this cautious.
I know you do, boss.
We are. Let's just suck it up.
We are.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Important is when you do this, that you always take this vacuum bleeder and suck also when you have closed the last little bit out of the bleeder nipple. Otherwise it will weep out there and looks like something is leaking. Because they're still standing on top of this bleeder nipple, and this little, cylindrical shaft is still standing little bit of brake fluid that comes out there.
Any different?
And there's enough brake fluid in it now?
Yes.
Yeah, there's plenty in there.
Could just
Do
be
they
the
have-
system.
Do they have any markings there?
No, that's.
I will put a little bit more in it. They don't say anywhere max whatsoever.
Not that I've seen.
Not that this will affect
that good?
Okay, no.
but this O-ring right here,
Yeah.
we do have a slight leak in there, but we're working on getting, preferably getting another O-ring for that. But I mean, that that has been an
part
issue.
with that one though was even with that small leak, we were able to lock the left side but not the right side. So because of that, that's why we thought the pressure switch first, and obviously we do want to.
Yeah,
fix
let's,
the other.
let's get this out. I can normally, you guys know this from hydraulics. Normally the pressure's everywhere equal in the system,
In
But
theory.
in theory. So now, if this is giving a little bit, does it take a little bit, to equalize this? I really don't know. Sometimes try and error.
Yep. Right. That's why exactly. That's what we wanted to do.
Yeah.
So we'll give it a run and.
Can you pump it up once more? Yeah. And how, that's all good. So, and how did you adjust this with figuring out the front? Yeah.
Trial and error. Yep. Who's tested?
Who wants to test it?
You do it. Well, just make sure you actually accelerate and
Get out of there.
Craig, you do it.
I'll do it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He up.
Happening at the
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
All right, so rear brakes weren't locking up, so we go and check, and here's the reason why. You see, what you normally want is the brake to be on the bracket up here, but what it is dug into our disc, which, believe it or not, isn't a good thing.
Did our bracket shear? Is that what happened here?
It was the bolts. You can see the bolts
good.
sheared.
Leave one.
A few moments later.
I know, I'm just trying to...
That dug into the alloy or the cast. I mean,
Yeah.
oh, that's insane.
Well, I was
Now I'm
wondering.
gonna push it back a little bit.
I'm just kind of... No, it's...
On a scale of 1 to 10, how upset are you? And this isn't shot?
Jeez. We definitely need new brake pads.
It could be the same as the fronts, right?
Yeah.
Pads? So we
I-
have
I
them.
think the front would work. We got it.
Yeah.
Right here.
We could probably use the one in the lab that's left over. It looks.
So how bad is that one damaged?
That looks shot.
It got down into the pad.
Oh boy.
So, I mean, it actually didn't damage it. He's right, but you just have to replace the pad.
Look at our rig.
Yeah, we might
We
want
might
to
need to get a new
purchase
disc.
a new one of them.
That's still operational, the caliper, no?
I think we might need new pads, but
Might
Yeah,
need-
look at the pads. Show them the pads.
yeah.
No, the pads are still good too. I mean, all this is material from this aluminum. If you push this away there, and then it's,
How do you think that disc is? You think the disc shot or the disc okay?
the problem is now you have aluminum on the disc, and aluminum,
That's true.
you might want to take the disc off. Do you have?
We have like
grinder?
grinders and stuff.
have it.
Yeah, I mean,
Sand it down a bit.
yeah, no,
We
the
have, like,
problem is you need to do this very evenly, otherwise you get,
Yeah.
What about
How much was that disc,
a
Greg?
wire brush pad?
Do you guys sell stuff that size we could purchase?
unfortunately not.
Dang it.
How is this thing mounted on that shaft anyhow? Is that on the other side just a...
It's tapped down through the caliper.
okay. Yeah,
and
yeah.
then
Yeah, just get a new disc. I mean, this can be not more than 10, 15
Right.
bucks,
I
that
don't think
disc,
it was
you know?
expensive.
It's right
Yeah.
now. It's the
It's the time frame.
We might have to drive up to BMI Carts there in
Yeah.
Ohio. So
Where are they in Ohio?
west or
Westchester?
New
Columbus?
No, I thought it was like New Carlisle.
So it's an hour.
It's at least an hour from
So
there.
that's,
But we might just have to drive up
yeah,
there.
maybe
and
just
grab
do
what
this
we need.
tomorrow or so. You
Yeah.
know? But the caliper is still good, and I would say, you know, the brake pads just needs a little cleaning because all this has lost a little bit there, but who cares, you know?
Yep. And
Otherwise,
we have
if you
extra
go there,
set.
get a new pad too.
Yeah, we have 2 of them.
Yeah.
They're the front ones.
Okay, cool.
We have whatever's on the front. We have
Yeah,
2 more
yeah.
of them. So
Just use them for testing so long.
Yep.
That thing also looks like, is it supposed to be on there, I
yeah,
guess?
it's just to keep this on there. It's not
Yeah, but you know, you don't want this coming off here.
Yeah,
It
my
sounds like drivetrain.
trust me, I've had this argument already.
Yeah. Didn't you ask him to fix it?
No, I mean, there's a little lip normally where this
Yeah.
thing should, you know.
That
fit
clamp's
properly
too
in there.
long for that. We need to get slightly skinnier ones.
Ah, okay.
That's
Me
not
too
the
wide?
worst of things.
Yeah. Yeah, sorry with the caliper, but that bracket is not enough. You need something stronger there.
Bolts.
Dude,
right
yeah,
off,
it was the bolts. So do you think if we just got bigger bolts?
Oh, where are the bolts? Where?
So the
See?
bolts are still in the caliper top.
Yeah.
Oh, there. Oh, no, I mean, the problem is that there are no bigger bolts for the calipers available.
We just got back from Spiegler and it started raining, so this thing is a little bit covered right now. But so the front, good news, the front brakes lock now, both sides. We changed, I guess the pressure switch we had was not designed for this application, so we changed it to a banjo bolt. Bad news, if we walk to the back here now, our rear caliper flew off, and the tap set we had here is no longer. This bracket's fine, but the bolts in there, the little holes, they sheared, so it left quite a bit of damage. But I think the caliper's okay. We might need a new pad, but overall it seems okay, and maybe we can change it up and try to work with it. So we're gonna get to fixing that hopefully.